This is a weekly breaking Forex news update from Horse Forex. For more information, visit our website at www.horsegroup.net. Gold prices vulnerable as RSI snaps upward trend. The price of gold continues to track a narrow range after trading to a fresh 2020 high, 1,818 earlier this month. But recent developments in the Relative Strength Index, RSI, warn a potential pullback in bullion as the indicator snaps the upward trend carried over from the previous month. The price of gold has traded to fresh yearly highs during every single month so far in 2020. And the bullish behavior may persist throughout the second half of the year as the Federal Reserve's balance sheet expands for the first time in July. US dollar may reclaim lost ground versus AUD as haven demand spikes. Stocks on Wall Street ended the day on a gruesome note with the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ indices closing 0.50, 0.34, and 0.73 respectively. Technology-leaning stocks were hit the hardest, which helps explain why the NASDAQ index was deepest in the red relative to its benchmark peers. In the S&P 500, information technology led in losses by sector, specifically under software and services. Some of the companies with the biggest losses in that subcomponent include giants like Microsoft, MSFT, and Oracle, ORCL, USD, CAD price outlook. Dollar builds a base, Loonie eyes oil. USD CAD price action has fluctuated within a rough 300 pip trading range since mid-June. This major currency pair has drifted sideways alongside several other range-bound markets like crude oil and the S&P 500 and even Bitcoin as traders hang in wait-and-see mode, largely due to the juxtaposition of both bullish and bearish fundamental undercurrents. Appetite for risk seems to have deteriorated correspondingly as investor optimism wanes amid rising coronavirus cases and decelerating recovery in economic activity. This development was just alluded to in the press statement accompanying the latest BOC interest rate decision. Specifically, the Bank of Canada stated how economic slack is expected to persist as pent-up demand dissipates after reopening from the coronavirus lockdown. BTC price outlook Bitcoin chart Coiled. Pennant breakout eyed. Bitcoin performance is on pace for another strong year with BTC prices trading more than 25% higher since January's opening level. After succumbing to a sharp sell-off alongside practically all asset classes late February and early March, which came amid peak market turmoil induced by the coronavirus pandemic, the price of Bitcoin staged an incredible 100% rally. That influx of Bitcoin buying pressure helped propel BTC USD back above the $10,000 price level by June. But over the last 6 weeks, the cryptocurrency has since retraced about a quarter of its latest bullish leg.